Are you looking for a new home in one of Alanya's most sought-after areas? Look no further than Legend Loft, located in the heart of Avsallar, just a 2-minute walk from the city center. This stunning property offers a unique design and architectural structure, with all the social facilities you could need. At Legend Loft, you'll experience the ultimate in comfort and luxury living. The property is spread across an impressive 24,000 square meters and is comprised of 6 blocks. In the first stage, there are 14 units of 58 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block A, 28 units of 51 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block A, and 14 units of 53 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block A. But that's not all. There are also 14 units of 58 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block B, 28 units of 51 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block B, and 14 units of 53 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block B. And for those who need more space, there are 14 units of 58 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block C, 14 units of 53 square meter 1+1 apartments in Block C, and 14 units of 72 square meter 2+1 apartments in Block C. If you're looking for something truly special, the property also features duplexes. In Block A, there are 4 100 square meter duplexes and 4 95 square meter duplexes. In Block B, there are 4 100 square meter duplexes and 2 149 square meter duplexes. And in Block C, there are 4 100 square meter duplexes and 2 144 square meter duplexes. With a total of 324 flats, there's something to suit everyone at Legend Loft. And the property is just 1,200 meters from the sea, offering the perfect balance of city living and natural beauty. If you're worried about transportation, there's no need to be. Legend Loft is conveniently located just 104 kilometers from Antalya Airport and 65 kilometers from Gazipasa Airport. But what about the social areas? Legend Loft has it all. There's an outdoor swimming pool, aquapark, heated indoor swimming pool, Turkish bath, steam room, sauna, salt room, massage rooms, resting room, camellia, outdoor and indoor children's playground, gym, generator, tennis court, cinema, billiards, ping pong, lobby, snack bar, poolside mini bar, and Wi-Fi in the social area. And for added peace of mind, the property is equipped with security cameras, open parking lot, poolside mini bar, security, and international TV broadcast. Don't miss your chance to live in one of Alanya's most sought-after properties. Contact us today to learn more about Legend Loft.